Blair. She's our Australian Shepherd. And her birthday is today. And Nick is going to give her something for her birthday. What is it, Nick?
It's pink and it says happy birthday on it. Because our dog's a girl and it's blue at the pet shop with the same thing. What was it?
Should we give it to her over the carpet or should we do it on the tile?
Tile.
Alrighty, come on, guys.
So now guess what? I still remember this joke.
Hold on. Andrew has a joke for you.
What did the big tomatoes say to the small tomatoes when they were running?
What?
Ketchup.
Ding, ding. Good job, Andrew.
And
Okay.
here's another trick. Why do dogs run in circles? Because it's hard to run in squares.
Exactly. Okay, so let's let Bailey have her birthday present. Here you go, Bailey. To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Bailey. Happy birthday to you.
Bailey, do you want your treat? Here we go, puppy. Let's see if she'll try it. What do you think, Bailey?
Can't eat it.
I don't know, just let her try.
Just look at it.
Does it taste good, sweetie?
Should we break it off? Do you want me?
You want to break a piece off for her?
This is exactly how I think. Eat it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
I think she likes it, guys. Well, Bailey's officially 13. Pretty good for an old dog.